So you guys, just testing this mic here to see if it's okay. I just want to tell you guys, Biona is international today, and all the countries you could work with is like the United States of America, the Netherlands. Biona is a company from the Netherlands, 6 years now in the Netherlands. We are doing great business, and we are looking for you, and you. Yes, all of you guys who want to join us in promoting our products. So if you guys are interested in promoting one of the best products on the planet, you just send me a message. Check out my website, troy.com, troy.biuna.com, and then I could take you through and show you what you could do with Biuna. But again, this is a test, and I hope you guys could see my website, and if you have questions, just leave them behind in the box. I will get to them. So what do we have like product wise? Buna, we have lipstick, nail polish, vegan, Zoya is the mark, and we have also different food supplements for your health. So you want to be healthy, you need to check us out. If you want to be wealthy, you could check us out also. We are for the long run. We are here to show the world that it's possible to make products fillers, without fillers. That is how you say, without natural fillers. You know, so pure natural products. We want the world to know, to show the world. Listen, we are making products that are natural, and you could do it also. So if you have the money and you know the possibility to make products, food supplements, uh, try and make the best one that could benefit people. You know, don't try and make product that just people just waste their money. You know, make sure you make something that's benefiting. When they use it, they could feel better. That's very important. You know, feeling better and having. Having said that, you know, you need to have some people who could make the difference. And Biuna, we really do make a difference. And that's the reason why I just want to make this short movie here, short lock. And by the way, if I haven't introduced myself, my name is Troy Holt, and today I am calling from the Netherlands. And that's Biuna is a Netherlands company as well. Check out my website, and if you are interested, you just sign up like all those hundred of people who sign up already and who are using our product. And if you want to see business wise, you can check out my business site as well, and that is hope.bunabusiness.eu or .com. Why do you need products of food supplements? It seems that studies were showing that people who use natural good products perform better. So if you want to perform to your max, you want to make things happen, think clearly, you know, be swift and strong, then maybe you could consider the fact that you need some extras. You know, by eating and drinking whatever you want to eat and drink, and it doesn't necessarily mean that you're getting in all your vitamins and minerals. So this is the reason why these companies like Biuna, we are doing our best to make sure that everyone get what they pay for. That's very important. So by saying that, I'm gonna sign off because I don't want to keep you guys too long. And I hope you guys enjoy my video, and I just subscribe or just leave me a message. Troy's the name. I'm signing out here, and you take care. Bye. Bye now.